Welcome to Best Choice. The best youth catcher's gear is probably one of the most crucial investments a young baseball or softball player can make, especially for those aged 7 to 9, as it directly impacts their safety, comfort, and confidence behind the plate, allowing them to focus on developing their skills and enjoying the game without worrying about potential injuries. Number 5. Champion Sports Catcher's Knee Supports. Introducing the Champion Sports Catcher's Knee Supports, designed for ultimate comfort and protection. Experience reduced pressure on your knees and joints during every game. Our premium catcher's knee supports feature soft sport wedges that significantly reduce stress and strain. The cushion design provides a padded buffer for enhanced comfort during extended play. Engineered with a durable, ergonomic design, these supports maintain their structure even after rigorous use. The molded wedge shape ensures lasting performance and reliability. Built to last, the abrasion-resistant surface protects against wear and tear. Side D-rings allow for quick and easy fit adjustments, ensuring a secure and personalized feel. Specifically designed for players 5 feet 7 inches tall and under, these supports offer optimal fit and crucial support. Get the protection you need to perform at your best. We also offer a size for players over 5 feet 8 inches to ensure every catcher can benefit from superior knee protection and comfort. What we like. These knee supports offer premium cushioning to reduce pressure on your knees and joints. They are designed to reduce stress and strain, creating a comfortable buffer. If you are a player under 5 feet 7 inches and looking for targeted knee comfort, these are a great option. What people say. They not only provide great support for her squats but also help her pop up more quickly. Good sturdy material and seem durable. It reduces the stress on the knees. Number 4. Champion Sports Catcher's Knee Supports. Introducing our premium catcher's knee supports. Designed for maximum comfort and protection, they help reduce pressure on your knees and joints during intense games. Experience unparalleled comfort with our cushion design. It creates a padded buffer, significantly reducing stress and strain on your knees and thighs. These supports feature a durable, ergonomic design that maintains its shape even with prolonged use. They are built to withstand the demands of the game. With an abrasion-resistant surface and convenient side D-rings, these supports are built to last and offer easy fit adjustments for personalized comfort. Specifically designed for players 5 feet 8 inches and above, they provide the ideal support needed for catchers in this height range. We offer 2 sizes to ensure a great fit for all players, including those under 5 feet 7 inches and those over 5 feet 8 inches. What we like. Experience durable, ergonomic support with these knee supports. The molded wedge shape maintains its structure, and the abrasion-resistant surface ensures longevity. If you are a player 5 feet 8 inches and above and need reliable, long-lasting knee protection, consider these. What people say. The chest protector is a good fit and offers great protection. The leg guards are adjustable and stay in place during play. The helmet is comfortable and provides excellent visibility. Number 3. All-Star Players Series Youth Catcher's Kit. Introducing the Players Series Catcher's Kit, designed for young athletes aged 7 to 16. This comprehensive set provides essential protection and comfort for every game. Engineered for durability and safety, this kit ensures you can move freely behind the plate. It includes a helmet, chest protector, leg guards, and throat guard for complete peace of mind. The chest protector offers superior safety with internal PE plates. Its 4-point adjustable harness guarantees a secure, snug fit that stays in place, no matter how intense the play gets. Experience enhanced mobility with our leg guards, featuring a double knee design for lightweight protection. The adjustable straps make them easy to put on and take off quickly. Available in multiple color variations like black, navy, royal blue, and red. Choose the perfect set to match your team's colors or your individual style. Rest assured, this equipment meets NOCSI certification standards, providing the highest level of safety for young players. What we like. This is a complete catching equipment kit designed for protection and comfort. It includes a helmet, chest protector, leg guards, and throat guard, all NOCSI certified. If you're looking for an all-in-one, certified protective package for ages 7 to 16, this kit is ideal. What people say. The gear is good quality and held up well. Would easily last for several seasons. The soft pads on the inside the helmet started pulling at the edges the last year but still works well. Great quality set of catcher's gear, and it came with a bag too. Number 2. All-Star Players Series Youth Catcher's Kit. Introducing the Players Series Catcher's Kit, designed for young baseball and softball players aged 7 to 16. This all-in-one set provides essential protection and comfort for every game. Inside this kit, you'll find a protective helmet, chest protector, leg guards, and a throat guard. Everything you need to stay safe behind the plate. Crafted for durability and a comfortable fit, this gear ensures you can move freely while staying protected. Focus on your game, not on adjusting your equipment. The chest protector offers enhanced safety with internal PE plates and a secure, adjustable harness. It stays in place, providing reliable protection throughout play. Featuring a double knee design, these leg guards are both lightweight and mobile. The easy adjust straps make them simple to put on and take off quickly. Available in black, navy, royal blue, and red, you can select the perfect color to match your team or personal style. Express yourself while staying protected. What we like. Focusing on the chest protector, this gear features internal PE plates for enhanced safety and a 4-point adjustable harness for a perfect fit. The leg guards are designed for mobility. If a snug, secure fit and lightweight mobility are your priorities, this set delivers. What people say. The gear is good quality and held up well. Would easily last for several seasons. The soft pads on the inside the helmet started pulling at the edges the last year but still works well. Great quality set of catcher's gear, and it came with a bag too. Number 1. All-Star Players Series Youth Catcher's Kit. Introducing the Players Series Catcher's Kit, designed for young athletes aged 7 to 16. This complete set provides essential protective baseball and softball gear for comfort and safety on the field. This kit is NOC certified, ensuring top-tier protection. It includes a helmet, chest protector, leg guards, and throat guard, all engineered for your safety. Experience protective mobility behind the plate with gear that fits well and feels comfortable. It's built to last and keep you moving freely. The chest protector offers enhanced safety with internal PE plates and a secure, adjustable harness. It stays in place, so you can focus on the game. Our leg guards feature a double knee design for lightweight mobility. The easy-to-adjust straps ensure a quick and secure fit, making them simple to put on and take off. Available in black, navy, royal blue, and red, you can select the perfect color to match your team or personal style. Find the ideal set for any player. What we like. This kit prioritizes protective mobility, allowing players to move freely behind the plate. The leg guards feature double knee protection and quick adjust straps for easy on and off. If you value quick adjustments and the ability to match your team's colors, this set is a strong contender. What people say. The gear is good quality and held up well. Would easily last for several seasons. The soft pads on the inside the helmet started pulling at the edges the last year but still works well. Great quality set of catcher's gear, and it came with a bag too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.